Wow, the day is finally here. Lyft just launched a new customer support service for drivers. This is something we have been asking about for so long as drivers, and it is finally here. Find out more in today's video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world. If you're a driver for Uber or Lyft or any of the food delivery service companies, then you 100% should be subscribed to this channel. Click subscribe, you're gonna make more money, you're gonna learn how to be just a better person, you're gonna learn how to get rich, okay? I mean, this is your job, you know, this is like your training, right? As you guys know, Uber and Lyft doesn't do any training, so that's what we tend to focus on here. And yes, I also am one of the fastest people to come out with new news regarding rideshare. So even if you're interested in it, you've never done it yet, definitely subscribe. Like in today's video, Lyft just announced this new customer service line. Support service. I'm gonna talk about it, you know? Nobody else is talking about these things because I actually care about drivers, and a lot of people just like to post videos and get views, and you know, they like to talk about drama. I don't talk about any of drama. You don't see any drama videos on my channel. I talk about news and ways to make more money. That's what I like to talk about. I like to talk about money. I don't care about who, oh, I don't know, whatever. I'm not an exposer. So regardless, let's jump into the video. Oh yeah, I did want to really quickly, guys, though. I don't know if you guys, I need to do a house tour. I just moved into a new place. If you guys didn't know, I just graduated college, and so I needed to, you know, move out of my college. And it just rained here. I'm out in Los Angeles, and if you guys didn't know, when it rains in LA, people go berserk. Bananas, limbo, I don't know, people freak out, and I'm freaking out because my pool is like green. I don't know if you can really see it on camera, but if you guys know, please, if you guys know, I need your help. I don't know who else to look out to. My pool guy, I don't even know when he comes. I don't really even know if he handles this. I think he just cleans it or whatever, but obviously I just spent like an hour taking out all these leaves because I have hella trees everywhere. So I still need to take out all that stuff, and there's like dirt. I don't know if you can see it, but like there's like dirt in the bottom, but it's also green. If you guys are, if there's any pool experts out there, how do you make your pool not be green? And it's gonna rain like 5 more days, so I can just imagine it's gonna look disgusting. So like, if you guys know, if you guys can help me out with that, I would really appreciate it. Sorry I haven't been posting a lot because I don't know, well, first of all, it was Thanksgiving, so I was with my family. I decided to take the week off from actually me making any videos, so I just had all the guests make videos. But also, I don't know, I just moved to this place and it doesn't feel like home yet. I don't know if you guys have ever had that feeling, but like the first week is kind of like I feel like a stranger in my own house. I don't know, I really don't like this setup here. I don't know if I need a new couch or what, but it's like I don't really even sit in here because it's just a little too much. Like, I don't know, it doesn't feel like homey. I don't know, I was actually gonna try to invite somebody over to help me figure out how to rearrange this place. But regardless, it's a great place, don't get me wrong, I still like it a lot. But you guys know, that's why I haven't been posting tons of videos like I normally do. But I'm gonna try to get back into it, okay? I'm gonna go to Bulletproof Cafe right now, do some work, try to write down a bunch of ideas so I can start pumping out new videos for you guys, because I know you guys miss the videos. Yeah, just sitting here watching my favorite movie. This is a great movie. He's actually one of my favorite actors. So if you guys are a fan of me, actually, you know what would be a great idea? Maybe you guys can you can refer to me as McLovin. If you're one of my fans, let's make that an inside joke, because if you're a big fan, you watch this video, you can be like, you can call me McLovin. Just refer to me as McLovin from now on. But regardless, I'm gonna jump into it. Lyft's new customer service. I just got this notification on my phone. Sorry, I'm gonna give you guys my full and undivided attention. Here we go, guys. Scheduled pickups available. Should we see what's available? Any good ones? Nope, no good ones. Okay, regardless. Here we go, guys. Here we go. New, easier access to 24/7 support. Finally, if you guys didn't know, Uber has a phone number. You can call it any single time. And yes, you're gonna be talking to their third-party support team, and they're probably in India or, I don't know, Belarus. I don't really know where they are, but they're not employees. It's all, you know. But you can call and actually talk to somebody, and they are usually pretty helpful. If you realize, if you have low expectations, well, if you kind of know the game of how to talk to them, you kind of like, they're not employees, so you kind of have to work with them, you know what I mean? Like, play their game sort of thing. Come where they're, whatever. It's better than Lyft, but like Lyft just launched this now. Maybe they're trying to, like, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if they did this to compete with Lyft's, because I'm sure a lot of people have complained, like, how can I get in touch with Lyft? I've had people commenting on my channel all the time, like, how do I call Lyft? How do I get in touch with Lyft? And if they ever ask that with Uber, I just say call them in the app, you know, it takes 2 seconds. But regardless, and you never get put on hold with Uber, or if you do, you're like, they'll answer almost right away, almost instantly. They have so many people. But here we go, guys. New, easier access to 24/7 support. Focus, there we go. Need help? You can now contact support anytime right in your app, making it easy to get help during or after a ride. We've got your back. Thank you, Lyft. Let's learn more. thehub.lyft.com. The Hub. Here we go. 24/7 support. 24/7 party, talking to Lyft at 3 a.m. Why? Focus. I'm gonna call up Lyft at 3 a.m. and be like, yo, you trying to party or what? Yo, come through, bro. I just got off a 19-hour shift. Let's party. Okay, here we go. That's cool, it is 24/7 though, all jokes aside. I wanna call them at 5 a.m. Now there's an even faster, easier way to contact our support team and get the help you need right through your Lyft driver app. Reach out to us if you have questions about a ride, issues with the passenger, safety concerns, or anything else you may need. We're here for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and on and off the road. Thank you. I don't know why it took them so, can you focus on me please? I don't know why it took them so gosh dang long to do this. I've been driving for so long, and how many times have I needed to contact somebody and I'm like wasting my time trying to figure out how to contact somebody, and a lot of times I have to like go through a ride that's like, if I want to talk to somebody about something, I have to like go through a ride and like issue a complaint, and then just to, like, and a lot of times it's like there's no option that fits what I need, so it's like half the time I'm just clicking, it's like a guessing game, like, oh, which option will lead me to a member. You know when you're on the phone, you're trying to call somebody and it's like they're giving you 25 options and you're like, I just want to talk to somebody. Yeah, I've run into that issue so many times with Lyft. So finally, geez Louise, brah. Woo! It's so echoey in here too. Woo! I need to fix that. Should I get those like studio panels and just put them all over my house? Like, and there's already hella furniture. Like, I don't know about these LA places, but like a lot of them are already furnished. I mean, it's nice because I don't obviously have to buy furniture, but like, I don't know. I had to take down some of the art because I was not a fan. It's a great place though, don't get me wrong. Whatever, here we go. But if you guys know how to fix echoing, let me know. It's pretty open space. I do like the indoor outdoor. It's like you're sitting here, but you can see the outdoor, and then if you want, you can open that all up and just walk straight out. That I do like. Okay, 3 easy ways to, sorry guys, I don't know if you guys know, but somebody told me that I have ADHD. It wasn't a doctor, it was a girl that I met. So probably not true, but I get off topic a lot. She said I have ADHD because she says because if you guys ever hang out with me in person, I fidget all the time. I'm like constantly fidgeting. Like people, my ex-girlfriends, that was like their biggest pet peeve is that I'm always like fidgeting or doing something with my hands. So I don't know if that is ADHD, but I do tend to get off topic a little bit. So if you don't like that, sorry, just, oh yeah, and somebody was saying these videos are too long. Watch the videos on 2x speed. Watch my videos on 2x speed. That way you save time. You know, time is money. So yeah, if you think my videos are taking too long, just click 2x speed and then just watch it through. Okay, here we go, guys. 3 easy ways to get help. Quickly contact support right in your app from the earnings tab after a ride. We made it easier to contact support. Tap the earnings tab, select the ride you had an issue with, tap get help, and select the type of issue you need help with. If you'd like to give us a call, tap contact us. We'll be in touch ASAP. That's great. You do it now? No. From the drop down menu, let's just try to do the contact. Oh no, that's from the earnings tab. Okay, from the drop down menu during a ride. Okay, during a ride, and then from the help tab at any time, tap your so this is what you want to do. Those ones, whatever, those are fine too. But this is the one where, you know, you're just chilling in your bed, whatever, you want to talk to somebody. From the, because you had an issue, whatever, I don't know. Maybe your account got deactivated or something. You need to talk to somebody, or maybe, I don't know, maybe somebody rated you 1 star. I don't know, but here we go. From the help tab at any time, quickly get answers to commonly asked questions by tapping the talent. Or any questions. I usually have to DM them on Twitter, but now I can just call them and ask them. If you need more help, you can easily access a 24/7 support team. This is the new big thing that they're launching, a 24/7 support team. Tap your profile icon, select a help topic, and read the relevant article. For more help, tap contact us at the bottom, choose your preferred contact method, and our support team will be in touch ASAP. We're committed to quickly resolving any issues that stand in your way and are constantly making improvements to the app to support you in reaching your goals. This feature is coming soon for drivers in Canada. Sorry if you're in Canada, this is not for you. This is just for US people only. I don't know if this has to do with your race. If they're, no, I'm just kidding. I don't know. They can't do everybody all at once. But it is coming to Canada soon. So if you are in Canada, just be on the lookout for that. And yeah, let's just test it out. Let's see if I can call somebody right now. I'll ask them. Well, I don't know. I might need to ask them permission. But okay, I don't want to show you my location, but basically, well, you can tap help. Yeah, it's gonna show. Okay, no, it didn't show my location. But, so you click on the topic, let's say, well, I clicked on help, let's say other topics, using Lyft driver app, let's just, airport, venue and requests, here's the article, and then here's the 24/7 support. Any recent messages from Lyft, send us a note with a description of how we can help, including the following. Okay, well, how can you still not contact them? I just want to call somebody. On Uber, you can just call somebody and ask them about anything. Safety 101, contact us. Oh, here we go. How should we reach you? Call. Oh, there's my phone number. Don't call me. But yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Okay, so yeah, it still looks like you kind of have to like select the correct topic to get that phone number thing, but that is pretty cool. So anyways, guys, shout out to Lyft, you guys are killing it, absolutely killing it. Shout out to Uber, you guys are killing it for the 24/7 service. Again, guys, if you can help me figure out how to fix that dang, it kind of looks nice on camera. No, it does look kind of green. You guys can see that, right? Yeah, it only rained like 2 or 3 days too, so imagine after 5 days more, bruh, it's gonna be grody to the maxi. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Leave a comment down below. You guys rock. You guys are killing the game out there. So thank you all for watching. I'll talk to y'all soon. Like and subscribe. Bye, guys.